Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to turn off the keyboard sound on your iPhone. So whenever you type on the keyboard, your phone will no longer make those clicking sounds. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Once you are inside the Settings menu, scroll down a little and tap on Sound Haptics. You can also use the search bar at the top of Settings and type Sound Haptics to find it quickly. Now tap on Sound Haptics. After that, scroll down until you find the option called Keyboard Feedback and simply tap on it. Here you will see the sound option. This setting controls the typing sound you hear whenever you use your iPhone keyboard. To disable the keyboard sound, simply turn off the toggle next to Sound. And that's it. Now your iPhone keyboard will be completely silent while typing. This can be useful if you are in class, at work, in meetings, or if you simply prefer a quieter typing experience on your phone. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more iPhone tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.